let's start with chapter number 9, Safety and First Aid. In this chapter, we will study about safety. What is safety? It is learning to protect ourselves from any harm. We should follow certain safety rules all the time at home to keep ourselves safe. You have to follow some safety rules all the times to keep yourself safe at your homes. Like, do not play with sharp objects like blades and knives. You have to don't play with sharp objects like blades, knives and scissors. You have to not play with these sharp objects like blades, knife and scissors. Do not touch electric plugs. Do not play with fire. And you have to not play with fire. Next is do not touch a switch with wet hands. When your hands are wet, do not touch the switch. You may get a electric shock. Next is do not spill water on the floor and do not leave toys on the floor. And you should not leave toys on the floor because anyone who is coming may get slipped off because of your toys. Next is we should take care while flying kites, coloring pictures, cutting fruits, playing football and running on down the stairs. Like, do not fly. You should not fly on the roof. Take care while coloring. When you are cutting fruits, you may cut them properly. आपको knife को एक proper way में use करना है. Do not get far away playing. Do not run on the stairs and do not go alone on stairs. You should not run on stairs because you may fall down and you may get hurt. And you should not go alone. Once in the swimming pool, you must not go alone. आपको अकेले नहीं जाना चाहिए. Next topic is first aid. What is first aid? It is an immediate aid which is given to the patient till the doctor arrives. It is first aid. When someone gets hurt, you can do few things immediately to help him yourself. Or in case of injury, if a person is having an injury, put water pack or ice on the injured part. What you have to keep? You have to put water pack or ice on the injured one. Next is, if there is a cut, what you will do, hold it under the water and put the ice till the bleeding stops. जब तक आपकी bleeding stop नहीं हो जाती, till that you have to keep it covered with the ice. In case of burn, if someone has been burned, what you will do, you will put a cold water pack immediately. जिससे उसको थोड़ा relax होने. The aid or help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives, it is called first aid. Next is make a first aid box. Now, if you are making a first aid box at your home, then a first aid box contains things needed to help someone who is hurt. It must have a pair of scissors, cotton wool, clean off or burns, solution and bandages. Now, always follow some safety rules to keep away from injuries and pain. When you get hurt, inform your parents or some elder immediately. They will give you first aid to take you to a doctor. वो आपको first aid देंगे और you will go to a doctor. It is better to follow safety rules than to feel sorry later. पहले ही आपको क्या करना है, safety rules को follow करना है. First is quotation. When क्वेश्चन क्या होता है, वेयर यू सी थिंग्स डेंजर. साइन होता है ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, डू नॉट गो नियर इट. तो व्हाट आर दीज आर द quotation signs that you follow. You must see them and follow them. Now, our chapter has been completed. We will quickly revise what all we have studied in this chapter. Like that, I have told you about the first aid. What is a first aid? It is an immediate aid which is given to a person at the time of injury. I have told you that if in case of burn, you must give cold water or cold ice pack immediately. If there is a cut or there is a bleeding, then you may cover that part with the ice or with the cloth. Now, let's start with the exercise. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. You have to look at this picture and you have to fill the blanks. Do not play with. What it is blade. You should not play with blade. Do not play with This is matchstick. Do not run on the, where he is running? On the stairs. You should not run on the stairs. Next is circle the correct word. You have to circle the correct word. Learning to protect ourselves from any harms means. It means safety. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Safety. We must never play with. हमें किससे नहीं खेलना चाहिए? Fire. We should not run on the stairs or in the playground. We should not run on the stairs. हमें stairs पे नहीं रन. Do not fly kite in the playground or on the roof. You should not fly on the roof. Roof पे नहीं fly करनी है. Next is write T for true and F for false statement. It is safe to play with fire and sharp object. No, it is not safe to play with such object. In case of injury, put water pack or ice on injured part. It's true. A first aid box contains the things need to help someone who is hurt. It's true. It is not required to follow safety rules. No, it is required that we must follow safety rules. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.